Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying both sheets are open and organized. This speeds linking. Once done, create named ranges or fix headers so formulas won't break. Now, click the destination cell, type equals, switch to the source sheet, and click the cell to build a direct reference. Make sure to press Enter and observe the formula shows the workbook and sheet path when linking external files. This method is immediate and why it's reliable. Excel stores the direct address, so values update when source changes. Once you have a basic link, upgrade to lookup formulas for resilience. Use XLOOKUP or index/match to retrieve rows by key. This prevents breaks when rows move. Make sure to wrap results in IFR to show a clean fallback like blank or nah instead of error text. Also, convert your source range to a table so the range expands automatically. That way, formulas reference the table name and keep working when you add rows. This combination keeps links accurate and maintainable. To finish, validate by saving both files and using data refresh also all links update. This confirms live values. Once done, lock key cells or protect sheets to avoid accidental edits. If links break, make sure the source workbook path hasn't changed and repair formulas to point to the correct file. Broken paths are the most common issue. One troubleshooting tip: if values return errors, open the source workbook in the same Excel instance and refresh. That usually restores live links immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.